Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn articles into YouTube videos. Not only will I be showing you step by step how to turn articles into YouTube videos in 2021 and get monetized, but I will also be showing you two examples of YouTube channels that are currently doing this and how much they are making, and step by step how you can start doing it also. If you like these type of videos on how to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button as I release daily videos. The first channel that I'll be showing you is Andy TV. As you can see, it's an Arsenal news channel, and yes, I'm subscribed because I'm an Arsenal fan. And if you know about football, you may know that Arsenal is one of the biggest football teams in the world, and they play in the English Premier League. And as you can see here, this channel is getting a good amount of views, as thus far for the last 30 days they have gotten over 300,000 views and have released 138 videos. You may be wondering to yourself, how come they are able to release so many videos? Well, if I should tap on videos right here, you can see that majority of their videos are very short in length. On average, they last between 2 to 3 minutes. You can see here, and the thumbnails are basic. And if we should tap on a video, one of their videos, for instance this one here, I'd open up earlier, and you can see they are talking about Brighton prepare Celtic offer for Usam Eduardo. And if I should copy it to show you that this is definitely from a news article, by doing a simple Google search, you can see right here, and you can see the article that they have taken it from, word for word. But the steps that I'll be showing you now, you won't be using it word for word. And you may be wondering, how come they're not getting a copyright strike for doing this? Well, in some of the instances, they actually rewrite it. For instance, right here, you would copy this. And the tool that we'll be using to paraphrase is quilt.com. So you'll simply place the article right here, and you'll tap on paraphrase. And it will paraphrase it from you, and then you'll simply copy this. And if you even look on the video, if you should give the video a watch, all they are using is simple articles from Google search in the background on their video. Let me play it for you and let you see. And all of this can be done on any regular video editing platform, as you can see right here. And their views are actually very good, as you can see, over 307,000. And an average of CPM for this type of channel would run you about $4. And if you don't know, the CPM stands for cost per thousand views, and this is the amount of money that a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views that a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate, as it is all dependent on the country that the video is being watched in. Also, how long does the viewer end up watching a video for, and if the viewer ends up clicking on a video. And the topic being discussed in the video is also very important. Overall, the way that the CPM is dictated, it all depends on you, the audience. For instance, with those meme videos or so on, the CPM on those tend to be very low, as the advertisers don't know the specific audience on those to target. But for instance, a channel like this and a channel that talks about relationship or so on, the CPM would be a bit higher, because you know that the average viewer would be over 18 years old, so you can advertise products that they would most likely buy. The other channel that I'll be showing you is this one right here, and it's in the relationship niche. And as you can see, they're getting crazy amount of views, over 2 million views in the last 30 days. And again, they post a lot of videos, and their average video length tend to be between 2 to 8 minutes long. And on both of them, they use a They don't use their original voice, they use a software to do it. And I'll be showing you at the end of the video a software that you can use that's completely free. So be sure to stick around until the end. And this one, if I should go on Social Blade and check out their estimated views per day, as you can see, they're getting over 80,000 views per day. And with an average CPM of $6, as this one is in the relationship niche, so their CPM would be a bit higher. They are making an average $495 per day, which is crazy, for simply copy and pasting articles. So as you can see, it's all dependent on the niche that you would like to go in, whether it's in the sports niche, or if you like to talk about relationship, beauty, or anything like that. What I've gotten to realize with YouTube is, once you see, for instance, you follow a blog, and you see that the blog is very popular, you can simply create videos around that blog by copy and pasting it and paraphrasing the words. It's as simple as that. It's not that technical. And the software that they use, I'll be showing you right here. It's this one right here, Palabolco. I hope I pronounced that right. And it's free to download. You can simply do a Google search on it and download it. But I'll be showing you how to get the best voiceover to use. Just give it a second to load up. By the way, if you have reached this far in the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, to get the best voiceover, you'll simply tap on Tools, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to tap on Use Online TTS Service. And right here, you'll simply paste the text that you had copied. And you can choose from the different voices right here. The best one that I've realized, the best one to use so far is this one right here. And then you can choose the language that you want. There are numerous languages you can choose from. And the second best that I would recommend on here would be this one, the IBM Watson. And with this one, you have a lot more options, which is why I also like it. So you can choose a female voice or you can use a male voice. And as you can see, it's offered in numerous countries. So each one would come with their own accent. And it's as simple as that. That's how you'll be able to turn an article into a YouTube video. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.